Philosophy often challenges us to think deeply, but not all arguments hold up under scrutiny. Let's explore some reasons why certain philosophical arguments might be rejected. An argument that contradicts itself or lacks coherence can be problematic. For instance, claiming there are no universal truths is itself a universal statement, leading to self-contradiction. Arguments need solid support to be convincing. When justification is weak or relies on authority or emotion, it becomes unsound. Saying, "Everyone believes this, so it must be true," is an example of inadequate justification. When a claim goes against well-supported evidence or rational principles, it loses credibility. Denying causality entirely, for example, contradicts established facts and reason. Clarity is crucial in philosophical claims. Vague references, like the universe wanting things, make it difficult to evaluate the argument's validity. Circular reasoning occurs when a claim assumes what it tries to prove. Saying, "God exists because the Bible says so, and the Bible is true because God wrote it," is a classic example of circularity. Overgeneralized claims are easily disproven by counter-examples. For instance, stating, "All self-interested actions are immoral," can be falsified by examples of self-interest leading to positive outcomes. Some arguments lead to conclusions that are morally or logically absurd. Ethical egoism, which justifies harm for gain, or versions of utilitarianism that may imply counterintuitive consequences like maximizing happiness by harming innocents. Sometimes, competing beliefs offer clearer or more useful perspectives. For example, virtue ethics might be preferred over utilitarianism in certain cases, providing a better alternative. When faced with objections, various strategies can be employed. Whether it's denying, deflecting, incorporating, revising, or abandoning the original thesis, each approach has its own merits and applications. In summary, philosophical arguments may be rejected due to inadequate justification, circularity, inconsistency, contradiction with facts, vagueness, failure to account for counter-examples, absurd consequences, or better alternatives.